In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clear all cache memory for Windows 10 PC to increase your laptop speed in a minute or two. So clearing up your cache is very important. You should do it at least once a week so that your PC is in smooth working condition. So if you do not do this, it's going to hamper the speed of your PC and do not whatnot. So it's better to, just clear your cache and have a smooth PC, right? So the first thing is you could go ahead and clear the temporary files. So to clear your temporary files, just hit the window keys and R, okay? And then you just type in temp. The temporary files folder is going to open up out here. You select all, you delete it, checkbox this, click on skip, close the folder. Okay, the next thing is Windows R again, percentage, temp, percentage. Keep an eye on the phrases that I'm typing in so that it's going to be easy for you. If needed, pause the video, look at the phrases and type it in. Okay, so once you're on this temp folder, just select everything. You could delete everything. This is not at all going to hamper your PC, so don't worry. Close this. Windows R again, prefetch. Just type in prefetch and do a search. Clear your prefetch folder also. So checkbox this, click on skip. Next, you could do a Windows R, click on CMD. You type in ipconfig /flush DNS. So you're flushing out your DNS resolver cache out here. That is going to boost up the speed of the PC again. Do a Windows R, do WSRESET. You reset the Microsoft Store. Okay. In the meantime, you could go ahead and look for location, privacy settings, hit the enter button of the laptop, get to this part, and you clear your location history. Okay, this is going to claim some memory back. Close this, click on your folder, click on file, click on options. You get a pop-up like this for folder options. Clear your privacy history. Okay, click on that, click on OK, close this. Next, you clear system restore point. So just type in restore point and then you clear this, delete. If you delete this, you're going to claim back some more memory, okay, on your C drive. Click this, create a new restore point. You could name it whatever you want. Apart from this, you could also go ahead and clear your browser history by opening whatever browsers you have and just, maybe hitting Control H. So you could check delete browsing history or click on that option. You get onto this page, click on advanced, check all time, check everything, click on delete data. So once you do that, everything is going to get clear. Your browser is going to become more lighter, perform more better, be more faster, and this should be done for all the browsers, by the way. Once you complete all these steps on your Windows 10 PC, it is going to work smooth as butter after you restart it. So I hope you got some value from my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.